Have you ever marveled at the luminous glow of someone's skin, wondering what their secret is? The truth lies not just in the products they apply but also in the nourishing foods they consume. The right foods can provide essential nutrients that foster collagen production, ensure hydration, and promote an even complexion. In this guide, we explore 6 science-backed foods that are proven allies for achieving that coveted radiant skin, with the #1 food packed with vitamin C standing out as a powerhouse. To begin our list, we highlight bone broth and protein-rich foods, pivotal for collagen synthesis. These foods, including chicken, fish, eggs, and lean meats, provide critical amino acids that your body needs to produce collagen. When paired with vitamin C-rich options like oranges, they enhance collagen production, promoting skin that remains firm and smooth. The nourishing properties of these sources ensure that your skin maintains its resilience, giving it a youthful appearance. Next up is the vibrant beetroot, a vegetable bursting with antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. Although no food can instantly detox your liver, incorporating beetroot can support your body's natural detoxification processes and diminish oxidative stress. Whether enjoyed raw in salads, blended into juices, or cooked, beetroot can significantly contribute to the overall health of your skin, leaving it looking revitalized. Avocado emerges as another superstar in the quest for healthy skin. This creamy delight is loaded with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, both essential for fortifying the skin barrier and minimizing moisture loss. Regular consumption of avocados can result in soft, supple skin, making it a staple in any skin-friendly diet. Its versatility allows for incorporation into salads, smoothies, or even spreads, making healthy eating simple. The next 2 contenders, carrots and sweet potatoes, are rich in beta-carotene. When consumed, this antioxidant converts to vitamin A, which is crucial for skin cell turnover. This turnover keeps your skin smooth and youthful. Adding colorful carrots and sweet potatoes to your meals provides delicious and nutritious options that directly benefit your skin's appearance in a delightful way. Fifth is the humble pumpkin seed, an underrated yet potent snack rich in zinc, vitamin E, and healthy fats. These nutrients play vital roles in skin repair, fostering a healthy complexion. Just a handful of these seeds daily can contribute effectively to enhancing your skin's health. Finally, we crown Amla, or Indian gooseberry, as the ultimate skin food. Known for its high vitamin C content, Amla is integral to collagen production while protecting against oxidative damage. Vitamin C's role in regulating melanin production also aids in achieving a brighter complexion. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.